Hi everybody, I'm Raksha, and in this video I'll be talking about calculating max of max in a Power BI using DAX expression. So before we get started, I just want to help you understand the scenario. What exactly are we going to do? So currently on my screen you can see we have material transaction table right here, and in this we have got n number of columns. Basically, we just have to bother three columns, which is material number, MD number, and MD item number. So based on material number, we have different types, different MD numbers for this particular material number, and based on this MD number, we have got n number of MD items. So what we want to achieve here is we want to say that if I filter any one particular material number, I want to have the maximum of MD number, which is from this particular column. So I've already sorted it in descending manner. So for this material number, the maximum is this 440 value. Okay, now I want to say that from this particular set of records I want to pick the maximum of MD item. So the maximum would be up till here. You can see that 10 is the maximum MD item for this particular MD number. Okay, so I just want to have one single row which says that the material number is WP510, max MD number would be 440 thing, and the item would be 10. So let's see how do we do this. So I have just created one summarized table for it, and the text expression goes something like this. So the code block is divided into three parts: select, column, summarize, and filter. So from the filter function, we'll go to summarize, and from summarize, we'll go to select columns. Okay. So firstly, try to understand what the filter is trying to say. The filter is trying to say that uh, we are picking the MD number from material transaction number table, and we are saying that I want to have the max of MD number provided, like all except that it should be from the same material number group. Okay, and then we are switching back to summarize, and we are saying that I want to have material number, MD number, and MD item max column. I want to have the max of this MD item, and from it will give us a group of all the records through using the summarize function. And then again we are saying that I want to select the columns, and then in the select I am giving material number, MD number, and MD item number. The material number and MD number, they are directly referenced from the table, and MD item number is referenced from the thing that we have just calculated in our previous step. So I hope that this is informative, and I'll show you the final results. So let me just collapse this, and let me filter the material number here, WP510. So you can see that we have got one single row with the our desired results. So I hope you really like it. Thank you for watching.